Good morning. We have something extra special today. We have from the Ballistic Helmet Company a ballistic helmet. Your day just got better. They must know that people do unboxing videos. You open the box. That's funny. Take pic. Share on Ballistic Helmet Co. Win big. Huh. So, as advertised, a ballistic helmet. Cool. If I'm not mistaken, this is made from not Kevlar, but DuPont's aramid blend, which is slightly different, but has similar ballistic qualities. Pretty cool here. It's got space for putting patches and whatnots to stick to your head. Nice rails to attach things. NVG mount. Bungee cords. Nothing special, just some foam pads. And nice adjustment here. Been told that this will fit pretty much any head. Now, why did I buy this? I bought this for this. I'm currently wearing a GoPro on my head, and as much as I'm a fan of GoPro, I am not a huge fan of their strap-on style camera holder that goes on your head. Makes you look kinda strange. So I bought this helmet literally for this attachment, which is a GoPro NVG mount, and fits up very simply. You place the front end up in here. Spring on the bottom gets depressed by this little switch, and it locks pretty good in place. It's not going anywhere. Bit loose. Might have to wedge it up with something just to keep this from shaking around. But I'll be mounting my GoPro hopefully to this helmet and using it as a pseudo construction helmet, mostly to do filming while protecting my noggin, moving around the house. But yeah, let me get a shot of the helmet with the camera on it. So I've had to switch devices so I could show you what I'm talking about. So this is the standard doily that comes from GoPro and looks terrible on 99% of men. So what I'm going to do is basically unmount the GoPro from this and attach it straight to the helmet. Oops. Also, this is probably the other complaint that I have about this mount, is the fact that the threaded nut, which comes standard attached on the GoPro unit, see, it doesn't come off. This is loose on the aftermarket piece, so I would highly recommend probably super gluing this right on in here, because it'll only get lost. There's no reason to have this unattached. So, put that in there. It goes right on in there. See? Imagine trying to do that while getting shot at or something stupid. So there you go, finger tight. Yeah, that is a bit shaky. I'm gonna have to back that up with something so it doesn't shake as much. But all in all, not bad. Mounts up well. Just gotta point it right. I'm happy. Happy with my purchase. I'll let you guys know how it wears. See ya.